Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce a new model from Luoma collection, KREMAN shelf. This KREMAN shelf is fully functional. Each of every shelf is removable. You can add in or remove based on your storage need. For example, the shelf can be lifted and taken away when you doesn't need. The shelf is easy to clean and prevent from rust as it is powder coating. For the wild oak finishing shelf, give you a perfect touch of visual. There is a hidden storage with sliding metal door for you to keep your necessary tools. The KREMAN shelf stands steadily also on uneven floor as it has an adjustable leg. Overall, with the simple design of this KREMAN shelf, it can be placed anywhere in your house. For example, dining area, study room, or anywhere as you like. The dimension of this KREMAN shelf is 1.88 meter height and 1.72 for the width, and it is not taken up many space as the depth is only 27 cm. The KREMAN is coming with 4 removable shelves. You can personalize the furniture by easily adjust your combination if you need more storage by adding on or remove section and shelf.